Welcome to 8577 Southwest Shad Road. This 1,970 square foot home sits on a 2.9 acre view lot with RV parking, almost full RV hookups. It has water and a 30 amp 220 plug, no RV dump. It does have that large propane tank that feeds the furnace and the fireplace. There's lots of space all around and great privacy. The way it fits back in on this lot, it actually looks across the valley without any obstructions. Just a great setting with a nice little fenced yard over there that we'll take a look at. Oversized garage, great single level layout, good front porch, large back deck, over 1,000 square feet of back decking that we'll take a look at in detail. Now standing in the foyer, looking into the great room, across the breakfast bar, in this living room with propane fireplace and a beautiful westerly view, totally unobstructed, of the Three Sisters, Mount Bachelor, and Jefferson. There's the coat closet right here by the entry. And you can see the ceilings are vaulted throughout this living space. Nice tall ceilings. Some good built-ins throughout as well. Right here by the entrance is one of the bedrooms. Functions well as an office. That's its current use. It is good size though. Has blinds. Looks out onto the front porch. Has a good sized closet as well. So this view, you have all of the sisters there, and Bachelor behind a little juniper there, broken top, Mount Washington, and Black Butte. You can see Three Finger Jack right there, and Mount Jefferson. This view is about the same from all of the windows. And you have a huge deck to take it all in, looking across that water feature and the hot tub. That view's equally accessible from the kitchen, which has a really awesome layout with this breakfast bar on one side, a little storage, and another breakfast bar, an island, a large pantry. All of the drawers in that pantry, for the most part, they're pull-outs. A little appliance garage there in the corner. Comes equipped with all the appliances. And the cabinetry is in great condition. The dining area is spacious. And again, that great view right from the dining room table, totally unobstructed. And very private too. All the homes are built around the way this is set back in on the lot. It has a narrow driveway that comes into and opens up to a large opening back here. And another note, there are two sliders out to this big deck on this side from the kitchen dining room and then from the master as well. This side over here is covered. The deck has been refinished front and back. This leads out to the oversized two-car garage with workbench and built-in storage. The utility room with folding area, sink, lots of storage. And a hanging rack here. A hanging pole for freshly ironed or freshly dried clothing. The home does have a central propane furnace with heat pump for your air conditioning needs. There's the programmable thermostat. And on through to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is extremely spacious, has all of the great views available in the rest of the house. And right from laying on the bed is the best view of Mount Bachelor in the house. See Mount Bachelor right there. This is the same position when you wake up in the morning. That's the view you see. Onto the master bath with double vanity, tiled counters, the shower in a jetted soaker tub with tile surround. There is a separate water closet also. And a very nice walk-in closet with good organization and excellent storage. And there is a very nice view of Mount Jefferson through those blinds. The hall closet, and then around to the guest bathroom with tub shower combination, nice transom window, and the final guest bedroom with queen size bed. Fits a queen size bed with two end tables very comfortably. Just a fantastic single level layout with amazing views and a great deck. Now inside this little workshop you can see that there is heating. It's fully insulated, wired. All of the wiring has been permitted. There's storage above. Which is all very handy. Another heater over there, and a window. Could be textured. It isn't at this time. And there's a great view right here from the shop. It does have a smoke detector also. It's 10 feet by 20 feet. And it's within this fenced area of the yard. It has a gate over there for access. And there's another storage shed for your lawn equipment. This fenced area comes back and connects to the deck over here, right next to the water feature. And it looks across the rest of the lot. The vast majority of the lot is right ahead, and it's why the privacy is so great. You can see that each direction Your neighbors are hardly visible. Now, right at the covered portion of this back deck, looking into the fenced yard area and across at those beautiful mountains. And all of your lot there in front of you that allows the great privacy. This deck reaches all the way over, and it has access directly to, through a sliding door, the master bedroom. There's a nice seating area out in front. There's a lower deck portion for the hot tub. The hot tub is in excellent condition with fresh water. This view can never be obstructed, and you'll just never find a better view from your own private deck of all the mountains that can be viewed here in Crooked River Ranch.